Hi, welcome back to Igbo Online College. My name is Edith Mugu. Our topic today is interrogatives in Igbo. Today you are going to learn how to use question words. You will learn how to ask simple questions using the question words in Igbo. Please subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family. So let's get started. The question words are Kedu, Gini, Anga, Ara, Olia, Ebe, Onye, Ole, Ole. So we have 8 of them. Now, we are going to take them one after the other. Number 1, Kedu. Kedu could be used alone to mean, how are you? What's wrong? What is it? You could also use them in sentences. Example, Kedu ka ị mere? How do you do? Kedu nke na-eme? What is happening? Kedu nke na-emenụ? What is happening? Kedu ebe ị gara? Where did you go to? Kedu ebe ị si? Where are you coming from? Kedu ihe merenụ? What happened? Kedu ihe ị riri? What did you eat? Kedu ihe ị siri? What did you cook? Kedu ebe ị bi? Where do you live? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? What are you doing? Now, at times, you hear some native speakers saying, Ke ebe ị si? Ke ihe ị na-eme? That is the native speaker's competence, and you could use it as well as a prayer that you are. So, when you hear somebody say, Ke ihe na-eme, ke nke na-eme, ke ebe ị si, ke ihe ị na-eri, it is kedu. They are saying kedu, but shortening it, removing the o and using e. Say ke. So because I'm teaching you to be a pro, you could also say ke nke na-eme to mean what's happening. Ke ka ime? How do you do? Ke ebe ị si? Where are you coming from? Ke ihe ị na-eri? What are you eating? Ke ebe ị bi? Where do you live? Ke ihe ị na-esi? What are you cooking? Ke ihe ị riri? What did you eat? So, that is it. You could use it for as much questions, whatever you want to know, whatever you want to ask. Just put kedu before saying whatever, and it becomes a question. It becomes a question. Kedu ebe ị na-agụ akwụkwọ? Which school do you attend? Kedu ihe ị na-agụ? Kedu ihe ị na-agụ? What are you studying? All right, let's go to the second one, Gini. In a conversation, if you failed to hear what the other person said, you could say Gini to mean, what did you say? You could use it to express unhappiness at what somebody said. If somebody says something that you're not happy about, you could say Gini to mean, what did you say? What did you just say? So, gịnị could mean, what did you just say? What did you just say? Or, what did you say? It depends on the context. Alright, in sentences, you could say, gịnị mere? What happened? Gịnị na-eme? What is happening? Gịnị ka ị chọrọ? What do you want? You could also say, kedu ihe ị chọrọ? What do you want? But if you say, gịnị ka ị chọrọ? What do you want? Ihe is removed. Alright, let's go ahead with gịnị. Gịnị ka ọ na-eme? What is he or she doing? Gịnị na-esi? What is smelling? Gịnị na-atọ gị? What is amusing you? Gịnị ka ị na-agụ? What are you reading? Gịnị ka ị na-ekiri? What are you watching? Or what are you looking at? Alright, let's go to the third one. Anga. Anga is how. Anga and ara means how. But you use anga, the how of anga, to ask how to do things, or how things are done, or how you could navigate something. Isi anga eje ebe ahụ. How can one go to that place? Mmadụ ọ ga-esi anga hụ ya? How can one see it? Mmadụ ọ ga-esi anga nweta ihe oriri? How can one get food? Now, ara could mean, how are you? What's up? In Nigeria, we say, how far? That is ara. Ara, what's up? What's up? You could say, ije ara. How is journey? How is the journey so far? Ara. The next one is olia. Olia and ara are the same thing. It is only dialect variation. People from Imo States and the environs would use olia. Olia. What's up? How is it going? How are you? That is ara and olia. They mean the same thing. What's up? How are you doing? They could also pass for hello and hi. Ara. A typical Igbo man will say, Udo. Udo na-achị. Ara. What's up? How is it? What's happening? That is that about ara and olea. The next one is ebe. You could use it as a word sentence. If you see somebody going, you could ask ebe to mean, where are you going to? Ebe. Where? Ebe simply means where. Where? Ebe. In sentences, you could say, ebe ka ị na-aga. Ebe ka ị na-aga. Ebe ka ị na-aga. Ebe ka ị na-aga. Where are you going to? Ebe ka ọ dị. Where is it? Ebe ka ị debere ya. Where did you keep it? Ebe ka anyị na-aga. Where are we going to? Ebe ka ị bi. Where do you live? Ebe ka o bi. Where does he or she live? Ebe ka ha na-aga. Where are they going to? Ebe ka anyị ga-arahụ. Where are we going to sleep? Ebe ka anyị ga-esi nweta ego. Where do we get money from? Where do we get the money from? Ebe ka Enugu dị. Where is Enugu? Ebe ka Ulogede, where is your house? Ebe kono, where is he or she? So you could use ebe for as many questions as you want to use it for. Ebe means where. We go on to the next one. Onye. Onye who. Who. Onye who. If somebody is at the door knocking, you could say Onye. Onye who. In a conversation also, if you hear something that somebody said, maybe that something happened to somebody, you could say Onye. Maybe you didn't get the person, you didn't know the person they were talking of, but you just heard something happened to somebody. You could ask Onye who. So Onye means basically who. Onye na-abịa, who is coming. Onye na-abịa, who is coming. Onye ka ị bụ, who are you? Onye ka ọ bụ, who is he or she? Onye na-aga, who is going. I hope it is clear. I hope it helps. Alright. Onye ebe ka ị bụ. Onye na-ekwu, who is talking. Onye na-ekwu, who is talking or who is speaking. Onye na-ekwu. Another one is ole. Ole is where is. Ole ya, where is it? Ole gi, where are you? Ole ebe ị na-aga, where are you going to? Ole is mostly used in Imo State and its environs. So it means where are you going to? It means where is. Ole, where is. Ole means where is. You could say ole, ole ya. You could say ole ya, where is it? Ole gi, where are you? Ole ebe ị na-aga, where are you going to? Ole ebe ị debere ego ahụ, where did you keep the money? Ole ebe ị debere akwụkwọ ahụ, where did you keep the book? Ole ebe ọ nọ, where is he or she? Ole ebe ọ gara, where did he or she go to? So we go to ole. Ole. Ole means how many? Somebody could ask you to help him get something. If it's countable, you could say ole, how many? You could also use them for other questions. Ego ole, how much? Ego ole, how much? Ego ole, how much? Ole ka ị na-ere ahịa gị. How much do you sell your wares? Ole ka ị na-ere achịcha. How much do you sell bread or biscuits? Ole ka ji ahụ dị. Ole ka ji ahụ dị. How many are those yams? Ji ole ka ọ chịtara. How many yams did he or she bring? Ole ka ha dị. How many are they? Ole ka unu dị. How many are you? Ole ka anyị dị. How many are we? Ole ka ị sị na ọ dị. How many did you say it is? Ole ka ha na-ere. How much do they sell? I hope it was helpful. I hope you learned a lot. Please try to practice these things. Try to learn it, study them. Make your own sentences using these question words. You could send in the comment section what you're able to come up with. Alright, this is the end of today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and click on the like button if you found this video helpful, and share my videos with your friends and family. Ọ dị mma ka emesịa. Ndewo.